calling your South Local Walmart. How may I help you?
Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
What did you need?
You do have a McDonald's in your store, correct?
Yes?
Well, I've got a serious issue.
Well, we have nothing to do with McDonald's. You'd have to call them.
I was walking out of the store with a snack wrap, and some kind of, I don't know what kind of birds you have there, stung me right in the back of my neck. And I dropped my snack wrap, and it swooped down and grabbed it with its foot and took off.
Well, you'll have to call McDonald's.
Why do you, I mean, do you feed these things wild bird feed? I don't know.
No, sir.
But it stung me right on the back of my neck, and I dropped it, and it swept down and picked it up with its fucking foot and flew off.
You'll have to call
It was
McDonald's.
some sort of owl, or I don't know, the kind of birds with the 3 feet, the 3 fingers that could pick shit up. You gotta stop laughing.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hold it in.
Oh man.
Do you want to do another?
Yeah.
Thank you.